Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create custom transitions in Filmora. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag your footages to the timeline. As you can see, the first one is a natural transition. It's all about the camera movement here. It needs to look like the camera whips from one scene to another. All it takes is whipping your camera to one direction at the end. And to be more professional, whipping your camera in the same direction for your second shot to frame up your subject. So you just need to line the footages right so the motion blur glues them together. For the second transition, I use two effects from Filmora. The first one is colorful flicker. I crop it in that what so 3 color changes appears. Then above I added the negative flicker effect. Make sure the flicker appears right in between the two footages. And for the third transition, I use the negative red effect. Again, make sure the flicker appears right in between the two footages. That's it for this video, guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.